Welcome back, everybody. Cajun Chef here. Today we're making red beans and rice. We're going to start off with 2 pounds of beans, soak them, drain the water, fill it back up, get all the little rocks and everything else out of there. And you want to let them soak for about 2-3 hours. Alright, now we're going to give it some flavor. We're going to cut up some bacon. Any bacon will work. Then we're going to add the trinity, which is 1 onion, half parts bell pepper, so half a bell pepper, and about 3 stalks of celery. Add that to the bowl, and let's start working on the pan. So we're going to get a pan. I'm cooking 2 pounds of beans, so I want something that's going to be big enough for that. Let's get the butter melted down, and then we're going to add the bacon. Cook the bacon till it becomes brown and sticky on the bottom, as you see all that goodness down there. The bacon, the fat's going to render out, and it's going to give it a really good flavor. Then we're going to add the vegetables, which is the trinity. And once those cook down, they're really going to let a lot of water out, and you'll be able to deglaze the pan. For seasoning, we're going to use about a half a tablespoon of salt, about 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of onion powder, about 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and about 1/2 teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. This will maybe not be quite enough seasoning for you, but before you serve, I always season to taste anyway. This is just a good base. As you see, those vegetables are softening up really nice. Bacon looks good, actually looks delicious. So after this, we're going to add our chicken broth. Once we add the chicken broth, give it a quick stir. Then we're going to add our 2 pounds of beans soaked. You'll see they'll go from shriveled up to, fully, tight skin. Alright, now the beans are added. We're going to get this on high up to a boil. Add 2 bay leaves, cover. Let that cook for, you can check on it every hour or so. Let's take the bay leaves out. After about 3 hours probably of cooking. But you'll be able to tell because the beans will get soft. They'll release all that thick goodness. Now I'm going to add parsley. I don't add the parsley early. And parsley is completely optional. It does give it a little bit of better flavor in my opinion. Alright, now I'll cover it and let it simmer for about 15 more minutes. And now we're ready to serve. Garnish with a little parsley on top. Maybe some green onion. And this is what you got. It looks delicious, and I promise you it tastes delicious. So once again, I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it, and have a blessed day.